Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. Hope everything is good and your preparation for the NEET PG 2021 is on track. Regarding the application, I had done a kind of forecasting that it will be coming by today, uh, 22nd of February. But unfortunately, due to some technical issue, they couldn't publish it to get available to all the candidates. So there is nothing to worry about that, because the examination date is fixed, that is 18th of April, and we are expecting that maximum by 28th of this month, means by end of this month, your application form will get available. So in this video we'll talk more about what documents we need to upload and how the counseling process will go ahead. So a little bit glimpse about it, because we want you to focus more on your studies. Just less than 2 months of time is left, and I want you to utilize most of the time so that you end up with a good score. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can subscribe it, and you can join the Telegram group. The link is available in the description. I have also made videos on the expected cutoff for the government colleges branch wise and for particular states also. You can see those cutoff videos. I will give the link in the description. Now talking about NEET PG application form, how you need to fill. So there are 4 documents that you need to upload: photo, signature, left thumb impression, and MCI registration. These documents you need to have. If you don't have, get it ready. The photograph you need to have with the date, and it should not be older than 6 months from now. And signature, your cursive signature, left thumb impression. So biometric, when you go for exam, you have to use your left thumb impression. They will match with what you submit here. And MCI registration. So these are the documents you need to upload. And now talking about some details that you need to have. So what details you need to have? You need to have MBBS qualification related details, which year you passed in, and your, if you have passed from foreign countries, then you have to mention the country name, and you need to mention the university name, college name, and year of passing. For FMG candidate, you need to mention the name of the country. Now internship details, you need to enter mandatorily the start date and the end date. If it's ongoing, then you can enter the date when it's going to complete. Okay. And MCI registration you need to have. If you don't have, then you need to have, because you need to upload it. You need to enter the number, MCI registration number. Those are mandatory details. If you come under EWS category, then you have to mark it while doing the choice, doing the registration. You don't need to upload that certificate. Okay. So we'll talk about how the counseling will proceed. So there will be 2 types of counseling will happening for each and every state government colleges. There will be 50% seat going to all India quota, and 50% seat will remaining to particular state. So under all India quota, 50% seats of the government college of all states will get combined, and it will get conducted by MCC. Along with it, all the deemed college seats. I have given the fee structure and all the bond details, stipend details in separate video for each and every branch. You can have a look at those videos to get an idea. So 50% state quota seats, and deemed university seat, central university seats, and so these seats will get combined, and the counseling will be happening, will get conducted by MCC. MCC is going to conduct the counseling along with these seats on DNB seats also. I have explained about this change in pattern in the counseling in separate video also. Now what will happen for 50% of the government colleges seats for particular state? The state is responsible to conduct the counseling, and it will happen separately. You need to do the registration separately, and there will be little bit change in the cutoff when you compare all India quota cutoff and state quota cutoff. So the chances is higher to get a seat through a state quota than all India quota. Okay, so I will be trying to create videos for each and every state, and how the MCC counseling proceeds, what are the different points you need to take care before you jump into the counseling process, and how many seats we have for particular state, what will be the cutoff, expected cutoff and last year cutoff. So I will be providing the details in separate videos. Actually, there will be a series of videos for such details, so that whichever state you come from, you get the complete information before you jump into the counseling process. And if you want to subscribe our paid services, starting from the day one until the counseling process gets over, we guide you through the counseling process to get the best result out of it. So you can subscribe it, and for subscription you can call us on the number given in the screen, 93191286 and 77. So that's it in this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.